Hi, this is Carl from scrollsawvideo.com. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to design a pattern similar to this one. I'm going to be going through this pretty quick, so if you have any questions or problems, don't hesitate to shoot me an email or put a comment down and I'll answer you as soon as I can. So let's go ahead and get started. I previously uploaded this pattern to my CorelDraw X3 software. So we're going to put the word Tommy in here, which is going to be the name of this dog. Very simple process. So I'm going to come over here to the left where the A is on the toolbar. Left click on that. Come up here to the top. I'm going to pick a stencil. I'm going to pick a font. I'm going to use this one called Bubble Body. Click OK on here. I'll make sure my caps are on. We're at TOMMY. I'm going to stretch it out. Grab the corner node. Stretch it out. Right here in the X in the center, I'm going to pull it down to where it fills up the outline of the dog. Okay, I'm going to come up here to the top and highlight my pick tool. Tommy is highlighted. You can tell by the nodes on the outside. On the right side of my drawing page, I have my color palette docked. So I'm going to left click on the white and I'm going to right click on the black. You can see it made an outline of my name Tommy. So I'm going to stretch this out to fill up the inside of the dog. To do that, I'm going to come over to the left on my toolbar and I'm going to the fifth icon down from the bottom. I'm going to click on that little triangle on the bottom. Now you might have one of these come up as a default. So we're going to come over to the interactive envelope tool. Click on that one, make sure it's highlighted. Okay, you'll see these blue nodes surrounding the name Tommy. So we're just going to stretch those out a little bit. Left click and pull. Left click and pull. Keep on doing that. Going to left click and pull. We're stretching the name Tommy. Left click and pull this top one. Now you'll see these arrows come up, these blue arrows. You can left click on these blue arrows to help aid you in your stretching of your letters. So I'm going to left click and pull. Left click and pull. Left click and pull. This one needs to come down a little bit. This one needs to go up. Let's take this one up a little bit. Bring this one down. Okay, that's good enough. You can see just clicking on these nodes will stretch out the name Tommy. So we'll come up here to my pick tool where everything's highlighted. You have your pattern now that you can cut out. Now you'll notice that the name Tommy will have this O right here where this piece right here will fall out, the center of the O. Now you'll need to modify that. You can watch some of my other videos to figure out how to do that, to learn how to do that. Which you can make an O like this and replace this O with this O. Or you can change your font completely with a font such as any one of these. This is a stencil art, stencil font, and just different assorted stencil fonts. Very easy to do. Now, to see how your pattern is going to look, I have it in a different tutorial, but I'll show you again. Find a picture of a piece of wood that you like, a wood grain. Upload it to your software, or put it in a folder. Pull it into your drawing page. So this piece of oak is highlighted. So I'm going to come up here to my effects and use power clip. Slide over, place inside container. So I'm going to click that. So you see my big black arrow that will come up. I'm just going to left click inside the dog. You see how now this is going to be what your pattern is going to look like. Now if you choose this font, you can bring this over, slide it on your pattern, and this is an example of what your finished cutout is going to look like. Hope I explained this well. Like I said earlier, that I wanted to make this video short, so if you have any questions, please shoot me an email, scrollsawvideo@gmail.com.